Hi guys, this is my bike check for the 2011 Kink Barrier. We'll start from the top and move down. I have ODI long neck grips in green with ODI bar ends. I have Kink Uptown bars, 8-inch rise and 28-inch wide. I have Mission stem with a Mission headset. I have Kink Stripe forks with dual Steiner tires, front and back, 2.25. I have an Alienation front rim with a Mission Echo hub. My frame is a Kink Barrier frame, 25.5, and then my sprocket is a Kink Decimal sprocket, 25 teeth. I have a KMC chain with Mission cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I have a Kink pivotal seat with Mission seat post and Mission seat clamp. My back wheel is Alienation Black Sheep rim with a Mission Echo hub, and this is how it sounds. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, comment, and subscribe.